Hello guys, I am Arvind and welcome to this session. And in this session, we are going to discuss structure of a C program. So let's get started. Guys, we can define the structure of a C program with the help of following 7 steps. So the first step is define the program objective. And it is the one of the most important point or step in this structure of C program. So first of all, we need to define the objective, and then we can design the program depending upon the objective of program, and then we can write the code based on the design, and then we can compile our program using L plus F9 to check the errors. And if there is no error, then we can run the program by pressing Ctrl plus F9, and then we can test and debug the program by putting different values in our program, and after that we can maintain and modify the program. So these are the 7 important steps to define the structure of a C program. So I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.